Hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. I'm Ara.
And I am Yumin. We are the co-sisters, students of Korean Pinay. Another day, another mini vlog na naman po kami. This video pala ay kuha nung before mag-start ang school. At August 18, birthday ni nanay. At this time pala, nagpa-picture ID kami ni ate. At si nanay naman napagod sa galor niya. Aba, napasayaw yung birthday girl. Nanay don't know we have a surprise dinner for her. Akala niya may bibilhin kami sa labas. At nandito na kami sa restaurant. And when she opened the door, naka-ready na pala yung cake. Naunsa man kanay natulala na ka. And nanay bow to pa and nanay say thank you. And we say happy birthday to her. At nag-start na din kami mag-sing. We wish you the very best in life. Stay healthy and happy. Take good care of your health, nanay. We love you and always bless you. More birthdays to come po.
I know that you're sad and have many problems. Don't worry, we are always here for you, nanay. Kahit maraming pagsubo, isayaw lang na or ikatawa lang, nay. And also pray to God. Smile lagi para bata tingnan. I feeling young yarn.
At dumating na yung food na order namin. We have kaguk soup, spicy grilled pork, katsudong, at many more pa. Look, Tita Ann and Tita Joy, sobrang serious yung face nila. Lakihan mo yung subo mo, Nay, para maging laki yung braso mo. Ay, joke lang po. I love you. Nanay is working over 5 years sa amin at 1 year pa lang ako. Siya na pala nagbantay sa akin. That's why I love her so much. And we start eating cake. Kain po tayo guys, ang sarap.
And fast forward, after namin mag-dinner sa labas, Mommy make lumpia for nanay. Dahil hindi kami naghanda dito sa bahay. Sayang kasi baka masira daw. And Mommy is cooking the aubod. Me, I help nanay tanggal the wrap. Maara, salamat sa pagtanaw. Sa hindi pa nakapag-follow, please follow the co-sister po.
That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye!